Hey man, you looking to buy a 3D printer? I got one just for you. Alright, look at this thing. I should have popped out of this box instead. This is the Cron 3D, guys. And guess who gave us this printer? 3D printing store. Paul over at 3D printing store hooked me up with this printer. This thing's a beast when I saw it on their demo on their showroom floor. And he said, yo, come pick one up and just let me know what you think. So we're going to do a quick unboxing of this thing. And yeah, let's see how it goes. It was such a mission to get this box in my studio. It's like dented it everywhere because it didn't want to fit through the doors. But it's I'm guessing it is already built. I know Paul did say to me, yeah, he did say to me this one is built. And but you can buy it as a flat pack kit as well. I'm not too sure if that's already available. This is the Cron 3D printer. Like I said, it's if you want to look at it, it's www.cron-3d.co.za. Wow, okay. At least there's no packing peanuts. Holy shit, this thing is a monster. Okay, let's take that out. We're gonna get it out of here. I think I'm gonna need your help. Alright, so just all that filament there. Nice, he sent me a little box of filament as well. From what I understand, this printer is on special until the end of October. It's a launch price he's got going on. And it's normally 22,990 Rand. And this one is, I'm not too sure what that is, we'll have a look at it now. This one is going for 19,990 Rand including VAT, and it comes with Simplify 3D and a 6-month carry-in warranty. And he also said to me that by the end of the year, it's very light though. I know it looks heavy, but it's very light for this size of printer. Let me tell you, it doesn't even fit on the table. Where am I gonna put this thing? I'll have to make a table, guys. Gee whiz, this thing is huge. All right, I'm gonna stand here because this thing is blocking. Can you see me from there? Okay, so this should I? All right, this is quite a big printer. I don't know much about it. Paul just kind of gave it to me, and he was quite busy at the time. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, and I want to let you guys know that it's on special right now. So yeah, I mean, when I saw it working, they've had it for a good few months now, and it's really good at its prints. So if you want, go and have a look at it at their shop and the 3D printing store. But this is Cron 3D printing store, is one of the resellers of this machine. Okay, and yeah, then speak to Paul and see. I'm just going to measure this bed quickly. I'm going to see what's in here. So like I said, Paul told me that he plans to have an enclosure built for it and on sale by the end of the year, and also a dual extruder system, because that's definitely needed in a big printer. Okay, what do we have here? This is cool. He's given you a bunch of tools that you need to start off with. Your power cable, your kettle cord, bed clips, nice little side cutters. Use safety glasses. Very, very nice side cutters. That's cool. I'm assuming that's to like snip your filament and maybe cut out the cable ties, which we'll do now. And he's giving you a little paint scraper as well. But it's a sharpened paint scraper. So they have taken that, because if you have a paint scraper, you need to sharpen one edge of it. All right, if you want to remove prints. And if they're giving you this, that means that he is very he's very comfortable that his prints do stick well. Piece of PTFE tubing. Is this a Bowden setup? Yeah, it is a Bowden setup. Well, not really. Not really, but it's got a guide here. And from what I understand, this has a sensor built into it. It says extruder 1, which means he's already preparing for his dual extruder setup. An SD card, 8 gig verbatim, very nice, very nice. And a Cron P300S startup manual. Look at that. Wow. Alright, alright. Tells you like how to load the filament and the software setup, Arduino setup, Z height calibration. Colorful pictures indeed. I always like color pictures, especially in user manuals. Removing filament, start printing. The nice thing about this is it comes with S3D, which is already in itself about 2,800 Rand now, I think, with the Rand dollar. I paid 2,500 sort of last year for it. And he's giving that to you. And for a price of this size printer, you could be looking at 29,000 and upwards without the S3D. And he's giving you it for basically 19,990 Rand, including VAT, with S3D, 6-month carry-in warranty, and you have the opportunity to put an enclosure on it by the end of the year, as well as a dual extruder setup, so you have 2 colors. So that's very good. It has a bed level as well, and it's all V-roller. It's stuck right now. I just want to get my measuring tape. So it is 330 by 330. Okay, not exact bed size because of the screws on the corners. So let's say 320 by 320. 320 mils by 320 mils, that's a big bed, guys. That is huge, all right? You can, and the height on this, I'm not too sure. Like I said, it's a quick unboxing because I wanted to get this video to you guys so that you can go buy one if you want to go have a look at it, and if you buy one if you want to. I mean, it looks very solid. It's shaking the whole table. That's good. That's what you want. So it's a very solid printer. Okay, so there's one cable tie here that's been cable tied across the GT2 timing belt, which I'm assuming I'm going to have to leave it there for now. Let me take these out. Here's a glass plate. It's a heated bed. Geez, 300 millimeter heated bed. All right, MK2A heated bed. 24 volt electronics. This whole thing is the power supply on the side. No, it's not the whole thing. I'm lying. Power supply at the top, board at the bottom. I'm not too sure what board it is. I'll let you guys know on the review. This is a glass plate. It's a thick glass plate. It looks like a trusty measuring tape here. Yeah, that is like a 5 mil thick glass plate, guys. Here's another thing I'm noticing. You cannot adjust this bed level. You can't do bed leveling on this, which means that everything is done by the software. That I am keen to see, because the most difficult part of printing on big 3D printers is the bed level. Because you have such a big bed, your warp and your bed level itself is very difficult to get right, trust me. I just want to see. Okay, so it's got that, yeah, it's got that flip down bed probe, all right? It's still stuck in place. Very smooth, very smooth. So it's got those V-rollers on the inside. Okay, well guys, I'm looking very forward to giving you guys a full review on this, doing some prints and some awesome time lapses. From what I see, I mean, you guys have seen my debot, and I don't know if you have seen my debot, but I like the whole aluminium extrusion thing. I know it doesn't look very pretty, but for me as an engineer, it's very sexy. You know, I like the extruded aluminium, but it's visually appealing as well because it's got the cable mounts and the slide strips in here to hold everything together, and it looks very nice. It's machined aluminium.
Clean.
It's clean. Yeah, it's got drag chains everywhere. It's clean. I'm gonna take it to my office, and that's where I want to do a lot of the printing. I have a bigger UPS there, and something tells me it's not going to be as quiet. I'm not too sure. Don't hold me to that, but bigger printers are generally not as quiet as your smaller ones, because they need bigger fans to like cool the electronics, because it's running for longer. So I'm gonna leave it at my office to run, because I don't want it here at my house. My wife will kill me. So and my second wife might as well. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button, check me out on Instagram, and yeah, keep a lookout, because I'm going to be throwing you a whole bunch of time lapses from this machine coming up. All right, I have it for a month or so. Paul has been generous enough to give this to me for a month or so. So thanks, guys.